Everyone has seen ordinary cultural display walls, but have you seen interactive AI ones? High value and high tech. There are 36 types of display frames with a hexagonal design and a 20 cm side length. They can be combined freely, each with different functions and a direct and clear text introduction on it. Our artificial intelligence display wall is based on electronics and mechanics. It's an interdisciplinary one that combines various technologies and AI. It has face and voice recognition, letting kids experience AI. The racing seesaw tests your hand speed and provides a full interactive experience. The super piano in the air uses the infrared obstacle avoidance function and a buzzer to let people feel the chime of music.
你好，小智，我在开灯。
Using AI intelligent technology, it integrates the commonly used modules in home things into a smart home system. Not only can children learn knowledge and increase their interest in science, but they can also experience it personally and improve their practical abilities. The outer frame is made of anodized aviation-grade material and decorated with LED light strips. It is suitable for many scenarios. Such a smart display wall is a great choice for schools, science popularization bases, and training institutions.